Hello everyone, welcome to Tanmay Software Institute. So I just give a brief introduction about the Tanmay Software Institute and then we will start the today's topic. Okay, so Tanmay Software Institute is basically it is an institute for the programming languages like C, C++, C Sharp, .NET, Java, Python. In Java we can learn the core Java, advanced Java, and web Java also, ASP.NET and PHP, MySQL, Android, web designing. These are the courses we are going to conduct under the Tanmay Software Institute. Here, we are not providing only a theory lectures, only a theory knowledge. But also we are concentrating on practical knowledge too. We are ensure about the 100% practical knowledge so that it will improve your technical or we can say the programming skills. Okay, so who can join the Tanmay Software Institute? The students for polytechnic or diploma we can say, engineering or other bachelor degree related to the computer applications and computer science. All the students they can join the class. Okay, so you have to join actually because we have a very great experience, great learning experience, and many more feedbacks we have. And also we have one applications of Tanmay Software Institute, and this is a QR code. For that you have to just scan that QR code, and it is automatically downloaded. You can also download from it Play Store with the help of following this link. Okay, and in some Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, we have two branches. The first branch is located in a Sidco with in a N9 K2/3 Pawan Nagar, Sidco, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This is the complete address of the branch. And second branch is situated in a Panchakki, opposite to PES Engineering College, Panchakki, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. And these are the contact number. If you want to know the more details about the classes and courses, then please contact on this number. So these two numbers are available. These two numbers are the institute number through which you can get the more information. Okay, so Tanmay Software Institute are more focus on the only offline batches, because this C, C++, these all are the programming languages we are going to conduct. These courses we are going to conduct in a offline mode, but only one course, that Oracle 12C and 19C certification, we are going to conduct this course only in a online mode, because this is a very professional training certification course and which is conducted by the industry expert. They are working in an industry, and they are not from a single location or a same location, right? They are from a different location, so it's not possible to conduct the offline batch. So that's why they are taken. We are providing only this course in a online mode. We also provide the 100% placement guarantee under the Oracle DBA 12C and 90C certifications. So guys, if you want to build your career as a DBA in future and you are looking for the any Oracle course related to a DBA, so this is the best option. So please inquire us. These are the contact number I already mentioned. Okay, so just note down it and please call us for the Oracle DBA 12C and 19C certification. Okay, and these are the features that we are providing. So what are the features? Free study material, 100% practical training, topic wise assignment, theory plus practical, topic wise online test, because I told you before that we have an Tanmay Software Institute application. So there is a one app. So with the help of that app, you can attempt the multiple tests on a different courses to enhance your programming skills. Okay, and to check your programming knowledge too. And the fifth one is we are going to provide the support for interview preparations and resume building also. So this is about the Tanmay Software Institute, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please contact us for the more details and join us. Thank you. So now next, so again I welcome to all in Tanmay Software Institute. I am Sonali and today's topic is SQL where clause. Guys, we know that SQL where clause, it is used to filter out the data. है ना? Where clause कशासाठी use होतो? To filter the data from the table. Where clause, it returns, or we can say it returns the data only those records which which satisfied the specified condition, or we can say which fulfill the specified conditions. So there is a general syntax of the SQL. You also know that select star from table name where condition. So this is a common syntax of the where clause. But where clause, that where clause is not limited up to the only that syntax. So with the help of where clause, or with the where clause, we can also use a different operators, like these operators, like, in, between, any, and, or, not. So today we are going to focus on where clause with operators like, in, between, and, or, not, and, any. So guys, just let's start. So these are the content that already we have discussed. We introduce, we will see the first, the introduction to SQL Server, or SQL where clause. Okay, then SQL where clause with like, in, between, any, and, or, not operator, and finally we will see order by clause. Okay, so this is a SQL where clause. So SQL where clause is a SQL in a data manipulation language. See, this is a data manipulation language. Okay, where clause is not mandatory clause, because you can also write a select query, plain select query, like select star from column name. Every time need not to write a where clause. प्रत्येक वेळेस where clause लिहायचाच असतो असं काही नाहीये, है ना. आपण सिंपल SQL स्टेटमेंटही लिहू शकतो. मीन्स व्हॉट, where clause is not mandatory. When we use a where clause, when we want only a particular or specified, or something specific data we want from the table based on the some conditions, that time we use in where clause. Okay, so where clause is used in select, update, delete statements also. So select, what is the syntax of the where clause? Select column name, column 2, column up to n column you can select, or we can select star. Star means what? All columns from table name, where here we can specify the condition. So this is a syntax of the where clause. So which operator we use with a where clause? So generally conditional operators or conditional selections operators are used with a where clause. Mostly these operators are used, and these are equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, and not equal to. So these are the conditional operator that we frequently used with a where clause. So I just want to give a demo. So I just switched my window. Okay, so this is a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and in that I have created one database with name student, and I have created two tables under the student database, which are those sports and studinfo. So I just want to select first my database. Okay, so use student, and then suppose you can see select star from, first we show all the records from stud table. Okay, just execute it. So here you can see how many records are there. Yes, total 20 records are there in a stud info table. Okay, now suppose this is a plain query. Here you can see we cannot write where clause with a select statement, है ना. अपन ही काय लिहिली, एक plain query लिहिली है, select star from stud info table. Okay, now suppose if I want select star from stud info, suppose I want only a particular record I want to fetch from the table, where let's say name equals to, so what is the name? Name is suppose Suresh Mane. We can give Suresh Mane. Okay. Sorry, it should be in a single quote. So no need to write a double quote. Okay, now it is fine. So select this and execute this. Now see, you can see here the all records from studinfo, वेअर नेम इज सुरेश माने. ज्याचं नाव सुरेश माने आहे त्याचा पूर्ण रेकॉर्ड मला काय इथे डिस्प्ले झालेला आहे. जसं की त्याचा स्टूड आय डी 102 आहे, नेम सुरेश माने, मार्क्स 65 आहे, डिपार्टमेंट आय डी 502 आहे, आणि स्पोर्ट आय डी काय आहे 702 आहे. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज द way to write a where clause, or you can say select star from stud info तुम्हाला सगळं काही सिलेक्ट करायचं आहे स्टुड इन्फो मध्ये. कधी? जेव्हा तुमचे मार्क्स जे असतील, जर तुमचे मार्क्स ग्रेटर दॅन 80 असेल, तो ज्याचे मार्क्स ग्रेटर दॅन 80 आहे तो पूर्ण रेकॉर्ड काय करायचा आहे मला, डिस्प्ले करायचा आहे. So I just want to execute this and you can see here, see these marks 85, 93, 86, 95, 92, 82. These all are marks greater than 80 and these are the complete record I have fetched. See, the select statement with the where clause, it is only used to fetch the specific data which satisfied the specified condition. So what is my condition? Condition is marks greater than 80. So ज्याचे मार्क्स ग्रेटर दॅन 80 आहे फक्त तेवढाच रेकॉर्ड मी काय केलेला आहे इथे डिस्प्ले केलेला आहे. सो दिस इज द बेसिक यूज ऑफ व्हेअर क्लॉज. ओके, so now we will see the operators with the where clause, the different operators. The first one is SQL like operator. So SQL like operator is used where clause to search for a specified pattern in a column. जर तुम्हाला एक पॅटर्न सर्च करायचं असेल, जसं की नेम तुम्हाला सर्च करायचं असेल है ना, तर तुम्हाला ह्या केसमध्ये लाईक ऑपरेटर काय करावं लागतो, यूज करावा लागतो. सो देअर आर टू वाईल्ड कार्ड्स आर ऑफन यूज इन अ कंजक्शन विथ द लाईक ऑपरेटर. दीज आर, फर्स्ट इज अ पर्सेंटेज अँड सेकंड इज अन अंडरस्कोर साइन. अंडरस्कोर साइन कशासाठी यूज करतो, जर तुम्हाला एकच सिंगल कॅरेक्टर रिटर्न करायचं असेल, लिहायचं असेल, तेव्हाच तुम्ही अंडरस्कोर, अदरवाइज पर्सेंटेज. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी यूज पर्सेंटेज साइन percentage sign with the like operator. Okay, so what is the syntax for this? Select column name, column 2 from table name, where column name like pattern. Here we need to provide the pattern. Okay, for example, select star from customer, where customer name like A means what? It is start with the A. ज्या कस्टमरचं नाव ए पासून स्टार्ट होणार आहे त्या सगळ्या कस्टमरची मला पूर्ण इन्फॉर्मेशन पाठव, हा या क्वेरीचा अर्थ आहे. ठीक आहे, मग याच्यामध्ये दोन प्रकार आहे की स्टार्ट विथ अँड एंड विथ. सपोज you want to return a record which or the record or the name which is start with the particular letter, and you can also fetch the record that end with the particular particular letter. So here you can see in a start with the LA, if it returns all the customer name whose name is start with LA, and here in this query you can see it returns all the customer name whose end with A. Okay, so I think you understood this, what is in like. So like it is used to find the patterns in the table. Okay, and this is the syntax, this is the way to how to find the start with and end with. So I think guys you have to note down all these queries, so definitely it will help you. So I just shown you practically. Okay, so for then like operator, right? Like operator, I just comment it. So how to comment? Control K, Control C. So with the help of this we can comment the line in a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so suppose select star from table name. My table name is what? Stood info. Okay, where name like, suppose I want to start my name with S, capital S, percent sign along with that. Okay, so here you have to put the single quote. Yes, now you can see here, execute it. You can see here all the name. Here you can see all the name that start with S operator. So this is a way to use in like operator. So I just again write start with, just select it and comment it. Okay, now Control C. Now we will see how to find the characters or the name which are end with. So let's say I want to end with percent I. Here you can understand that what the very important thing, if you want to perform the start with, then your percentage sign you have to put after the character. Yes, after the character or the alphabet. But if you want to perform the end with like operator, you must have to write the percentage operator before the character. So here you can see, yes, we have write first and then percentage, and here you can see percentage we write first and then we mention the character. Okay, from that with that character our name should be ended. Okay, just select this, execute this. Yes, you can see Ram Kothari end with I, Sohan Sethi end with I, Madhav Chaudhary end with I, Yogita Somani end with I. So this is the result for this query. So this is a like operator. I hope you understood this, and if you want many more operations you can perform with like I just want to print the name with SO, start with SO. So just select it, execute it. So Sohan Sethi and Sonali Mule. So these are two records I have got with the help of this query. Why? Because I use the pattern which is start with so. So similarly you can find the name with the help of the pattern start with and end with. Okay. Now the next operator is in operator. So in operator basically it is in it is used with to replace the SQL or conditions, because in many times we multiple times we provide the or conditions in a SQL statement. So this is the alternative for the SQL or operators, in operator. So in operator is used to SQL query to help the reduce the need of use multiple SQL or conditions. And this in operator we can also use with the select, insert, update and delete statement. Okay, and what is the syntax of this? This is a just example. Select star from table name where condition in and multiple names we have to given. I will show you practically. Okay, so now we are going to perform what? In operator. So select it, comment it. Okay, in operator. Now select star from table name where name in. Suppose I want to display the information whose name is let's say these two names, let's say Sohan Sethi, uh, Sonali Mule, and let's again execute this. So we will fetch the different records too. Okay, Ram Kothari, suppose the third name, multiple names you can provide here. Okay, Ram Kothari. Okay, Ram Kothari. Okay, I just want to display the name from the all records from the student info where my name is Sohan Sethi, Sonali Mune and Ram Kothari. Okay, so select it, execute it, and here is the result. So all records of from the stud info I have got here, and with the where only the record of who's Ram Kothari, Sohan Sethi and Sonali Mule, which I have mentioned in a in operator. Let's say suppose if you want to again see the different marks, like select Control V. Let's say instead of this, if I put the marks, suppose I want to see, so how many students got the 95, 85 and let's say 65. Okay, so these are my conditions. So I just select it and execute it. What where care Ram Kothari? Oh, sorry. Here I have to change the column name, that is marks. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, yes, here is the result. Now you can see The 95 is there? Yes, no, no. Yes. Parth Chavan got the 95 marks. 85 got Sohan Sethi and Asha Bhosle, actually, this one. Okay. And 65 got, sorry, 65 got Asha and Suresh Mane, and only 85 got Sohan Sethi. So in that way, you can also find the records of the student who got particular marks. You can also specify the particular marks. Okay. So this is the in operator. So now we will see the next one. Hope you understood the in operator. Now the next operator is between operator. So the between operator, it is used to select the value within a given range, and the value can be a numbers, it can be a text, or it can be a date. But most probably the between operator is used for numbers and dates. Okay, so this is a syntax of the between operator. We have to select column name from the table name, where condition between we have to provide the value 1 and value 2. You let's remember that now. Okay, so value 1, it is the begin value, beginning value, or we can, this is a start value, or this is a end value. So between this range only it will shows the result. For example, select star from product where price between 10 to 20. ओके, अशा प्रोडक्टची मला सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन दे ज्याची प्राइस 10 to 20 मध्ये आहे. ठीक आहे. सो दिस इज व्हॉट द बिटवीन. सो बिटवीन वी हॅव टू स्पेसिफाय द रेंज विथ स्टार्ट व्हॅल्यू अँड end value. So you have to remember this, and operator we should used with between operator. And similarly for not between. Not between म्हणजे की इथे तुम्ही बघता आहात की select star from product where price not between 10 and 20 means ज्याची प्राइस 10 आणि 20 मध्ये आहे त्या ते प्रोडक्ट्स मला शो करू नको, त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त कर. जसं की टू डिस्प्ले द प्रोडक्ट आउटसाइड द रेंज ऑफ द प्रिव्हियस एक्झाम्पल. क्लिअर? यूज नॉट बिटवीन. So now we will see practically. Okay, so which one we are focusing on? Between, right? Between operator. So just select this, comment it. Okay, now select star from stud info where we can say marks between let's say I just want 60, and because start value is what 60 and only 90, and end value is what 90. So you can see here, if you execute it, so you will get all the records whose marks between 60 to 90, and we got 12 records here. Okay, and you can observe, if you observe here, so you can see these marks which is in the range of 60 to 90. No marks is less than 60. See, you can see here all marks is greater than 60 and less than 90. So this is a way to write a between command, and this is the use of between command. Now we will see not between. Not between means it gives the reverse result of this between statement. Okay, so here what we have to write, not between. Okay, so I just put not here. Okay, so now कोणता काय डेटा डिस्प्ले होणार आहे, ज्याची रेंज 60 ते 80 90 पर्यंत, म्हणजे जे मार्क्स 60 ते 90च्या जे रेंज मधले मार्क्स आहेत ते त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त सगळा रेकॉर्ड मला काय होणार आहे इथे डिस्प्ले होणार आहे. म्हणजे याचे हे 12 रेकॉर्ड्स आता मला डिस्प्ले होणार नाहीयेत. नाउ यू कॅन सी हियर. sorry, I just want to select it. Okay, yes, now this 8 records, because there are 20 records in stud info, guys, please remember, and 12 records for this result of this query, and remaining 8 records result of this query. Now you can see the marks is less than 60 and greater than 90. So 93 is there, 45, 49, and now you can see 95, 92, which is the above range of 90, and other marks which is the below 60. So definitely this query print the reverse result of the previous query. Okay, so this is the between and not between. Now we will see the next one. Next is what? SQL any operator. So SQL any operator, it returns the boolean value as a result. Okay, and it returns true if any of the subquery values meet the conditions. Okay, so any means that the condition will be true if the operations is true for any of the value in the range. Okay, so this is the syntax. So select column name from the table name, where column name operators we have to use any operator. It may be a, which operator we have to specify here. So guys, you have to remember which operator we have to specify here. Conditional operator, that is equal to, less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and not equal to. Okay, then select column name from table name where condition. So this is a way to write a query. So this is a simple example here. Select product name from product. प्रोडक्ट नेम पाहिजे आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट मधून, वेअर प्रोडक्ट आय डी इक्वल्स टू एनी. म्हणजे कस्टमर एक क्वांटिटी, एक दुसरा टेबल आहे ऑर्डर डिटेल मधले, ज्याच्यामधली क्वांटिटी ही 10 आहे. अशा ज्याची क्वांटिटी 10 आहे असा कोणताही प्रोडक्ट आय डी मला रिटर्न कर, तर त्याची व्हॅल्यू मी काय करणार आहे, प्रिंट करणार आहे. सो जस्ट वी विल सी इट प्रॅक्टिकली. ओके, व्हेरी easy, that is any operator. Okay, just select this, comment this. So why I'm going to comment every time, and why I'm not commenting such a lines? So guys, please remember, the commented line never execute. Okay, that SQL server engine never execute the commented line. It is for the user purpose, and this line I want to execute it, that's why I have not commented it. Okay, and I think you know the use of comment, है ना? So comment is used for the user purpose only, and it won't execute by the SQL engine. Okay, now any operator, suppose my query will be, suppose select star from stud info. So before that guys, you can see here there is one sport table. Okay, I just before that I just want to print the sport table, sports. Here I want to show you the data, sports. Yes, what, invalid sports. So why it is invalid sport? Okay, it is use student. You just try it. Yes, okay. So this is a sport table. Okay, and now what we have to do to any operator, I just want to fetch the value from the sport table whose sport marks is in between the range, or we can say it is greater than 90. Okay, so I just write a query first. Select star from stud info where, okay, where stud id equals to any of from this query. So what should my query? Select stud id from sports where, sorry, where sport marks, where sport marks is greater than, let's say, 90. Okay, so this is the query. So I don't know why it is showing the error. I just execute it. Okay, there is no result. Sport marks is no one gotten greater than 90 marks. I just check it. Okay, yes, you can see no one gotten greater than 90 marks. So instead of 90, if I print 80, my conditions, I update it now. and again execute it. So you can see there is only one record, that is 101 Ram Kothari, and this record from which table? Stud info table, where my stud id is what, की ज्याचे मार्क्स हे ग्रेटर दॅन 80 आहे, है ना. असे फक्त किती रेकॉर्ड आहेत माझ्याकडे? एकच रेकॉर्ड आहे, आणि त्याचा स्टुडंट आयडी, त्याचा स्टूड आयडी काय आहे माझ्याकडे? 101, आणि तो इथे काय झालाय? मॅच झालाय. सो दिस इज एन एनी ऑपरेटर. लेट्स से सपोज इफ यू change this query, and let's say suppose greater than 70, if you put, now update the your query. So execute it. Now you can see there are three records where the marks, sports marks, which is greater than 70, there are three records, and which is matched with the this stud id records. So clear this. So I hope you understood with the what is an any operator. Okay, so this is all about the any operator. Then we will see and operator. So SQL and condition is used to create a two or more condition to be met. Okay, it is used in SQL select, insert, update, and delete. And this is a syntax, that is SQL column name from table name, where condition 1 and condition 2 we have to specify. And SQL and condition require both the conditions should be met. For example, let's try it. Okay, that is an and operator. And operator. So I just want to comment it. How to comment? Control K and C. What we have to press? Control K plus Control C. Okay. So this is a way to comment in SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So what we have to write? Okay. Select. मला आता असा डेटा हवा आहे की ज्याचा कशामधून हवा आहे तो? स्टूड इन्फो मधून, है ना. कोणत्या टेबल मधून हवा आहे? स्टूड इन्फो मधून. काय आहे माझी कंडिशन? की ज्याचा आयडी, लेट्स से स्पोर्ट आयडी इक्वल्स टू हा 101 असणार आहे, अँड ज्याचा डिपार्टमेंट आयडी इक्वल्स टू हा 501 असणार आहे. असाच रेकॉर्ड काय करायचा आहे मला? फेच करायचा आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये मी अँड कंडिशन म्हणजे काय? ही पण कंडिशन माझी सॅटिस्फाईड झाली पाहिजे, आणि ही पण कंडिशन माझी सॅटिस्फाईड झाली पाहिजे, तरच काय होणार आहे की हा रिझल्ट जो ही वेअर कंडिशन ट्रू होणार आहे, आणि मला डेटा फेच होऊन येणार आहे. आय जस्ट वॉन्ट टू एक्झिक्यूट इट. Okay, where we will see whether this condition is true or not. No, there is no condition. Like ज्याचा स्पोर्ट्स आयडी 101 आहे आणि ज्याचा डिपार्टमेंट आयडी 501 आहे. Okay, there is no such a case or record is available. So for that I just want to display all records. First we will see select star from stud info. Okay, select star from stud info. Now just execute it. So okay, these are the records. Select start from stud info, where sport id. Oh no, not sport id. I just want to give a stud id. Okay, yes, stud id. Okay, now just execute it. Yes, I got an only one record whose stud id is 101 and whose department id is 501. These two conditions are satisfied, that's why it gives me this record. Otherwise it won't execute anything. Okay, in the previous query, because I have written, instead of stud, I have written sport id, so I have not gotten any output. Okay, and I have and no data is fetched from the stud info table. But here the condition is satisfied, that stud id is 101 and department id is 501. So that's why it gives me the records. Okay, now next we will see or condition, or operator, we can say or operator. So I just want to comment it. Control K, Control C. So now it is commented, and I just want to run this query again with, but now not with the help of AND operator, instead with the help of OR operator. So what is the mean of this OR operator? So we'll just see the OR operator now first. So this is the OR operator. So the SQL OR condition is used to SQL query to create a SQL statement where records are written when one of the condition is met. Suppose if you are providing here, you can see in the syntax, select column from table where condition 1 and condition 2. So suppose in that case, condition 1 will gives the true, will return true, and condition 2 is false, will return false. But or says that if only one, if either any condition is true, it will returns the result true. Means in that case, what we are trying to print, की ज्याचा स्टुडंट आय डी 101 आहे आणि ज्याचा डिपार्टमेंट आय डी 501 आहे, असे दोन्ही प्रकारचे रेकॉर्ड मला तू काय कर, शो कर. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज we have to first execute it and you can see this record. Now look at here, stud id is what, 101. Okay, the condition, first condition is satisfied, the Ram Kothari records will display here. Next you can see the 501, it is the, you can see all our department id is 501. So 501 ज्याचा डिपार्टमेंट आयडी आहे तो सगळा रेकॉर्ड आणि 101 ज्याचा डिपार्टमेंट आयडी आहे तो सगळा रेकॉर्ड इथं आपल्याला काय झालाय, डिस्प्ले झालाय. आता सपोज इन्स्टेड ऑफ दिस स्टूड आयडी, इफ आय राईट स्पोर्ट आयडी, ओके, and sport id is, let's say 704. Okay, now execute it. So execute, yes. Now you can see we have to focus on department id and sport id. ज्याचा डिपार्टमेंट आयडी 101 आहे तोही रेकॉर्ड आपल्याला डिस्प्ले होणार आहे आणि ज्याचा डिपार्टमेंट आयडी 704 आहे तोही रेकॉर्ड आपल्याला डिस्प्ले होणार आहे. डिपार्टमेंट आयडी 501, ओके, स्पोर्ट आयडी 704, ओके, 501, ओके, 701, 7, okay, 704, 501, 704, 501 and 704. So in that way all the records whose department id 501 and all the records whose sport id is 704, all the records are combined here and we will get all the records from the stored info where sport id is 704 or department id 501. Okay, and what is mean by not? So okay, now we are going to provide not operator. Suppose where I can write marks okay, instead of this not marks is equals to, or we can say it is less than 70. ओके, म्हणजे ज्याचे मार्क्स लेस दॅन 70 आहे असा कोणताही रेकॉर्ड मला तिथे नको आहे. सो इट प्रिंट्स द रिव्हर्स रिझल्ट अँड यू कॅन सी द ऑल मार्क्स विच इज greater than 70, that is 85, 93, 86, 76. so these are the not operator. मग याचा जो काय नॉट काय करतो, हा जो रिझल्ट जो ट्रू होणार आहे याच्या रिव्हर्स मध्ये तुम्हाला काय करणार आहे, प्रिंट करणार आहे. म्हणजे याचा रिव्हर्स काय असू शकतो, मार्क्स इज लेस दॅन 70, याचा रिव्हर्स काय असू शकतो, ऑफकोर्स मार्क्स इज ग्रेटर दॅन 70. मग ज्याचे मार्क्स ग्रेटर दॅन 70 तोच रेकॉर्ड तुम्हाला इथे डिस्प्ले होणार आहे बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट. Because we know that this is a not is what, logical operator, and logical not operator it reverse the result. If this result is true then it becomes false, है ना, and if this result false it becomes true. Means here marks is less than 70, ज्याचे marks less than 70 आहे त्याचा मी रिव्हर्स केलंय, दॅट इज नॉट. म्हणजे काय केलंय की आता असे मार्क्स मला प्रिंट होणार आहे जे ग्रेटर दॅन 70 असणार आहे, है ना, याच्या रिव्हर्स मध्ये. सो हा असतो नॉट ऑपरेटर. Okay, so and next is what, order by clause. So the order, very very important, the order by clause, it is used to sort the data either in a ascending and descending order. So if you want to sort the data in ascending order, so ASC, this keyword we have to use, and if you want to sort the data in descending order then DESC, this keyword you have to use. Okay, and if no keywords is specified after the column based on which we have to sort the record, in this case the sorting will be done by default in the ascending order. See, there are two ways to sort the data, either in a ascending or in a descending. If you want to specify the ascending sorting, then you have to mention here ascending. And if you want to sort the data in a descending order, you have to mention here descending with the help of DESC keywords. Okay, but in case suppose you are not providing ascending or ASC or DSC for descending keywords here, so by default it consider in a ascending order, so your record will be sorted in ascending order only. Okay, so this is a syntax to sort in ascending order. Select column name from table name, order by column name ASC, or and descending column order by column name DESC. So now we will see practically. Okay, so now order by clause. Okay, I just want to comment it. So now you can see here. So what we have to do? Okay, select star, or we can say select marks from stud info, where stud info, sorry, order by marks ascending. Just put the same color. Yes, just select this and execute this. Now you can see the marks will be sorted in a ascending order, like 37, 39, 43, 45, 49 up to 95. Okay, and in if you want to print it in a descending order, then what should you have to write? Instead of ASC, so you have to write the another keyword, that is DESC. ASC for ascending order, DESC for descending order. Just select this and execute this, so it will print the reverse output, that is start from 95 and end with 39. Just execute it, and now you can see, yes, start from 99 and end with, yes, 37, not 39. Okay, 37. This is the lowest marks, means descending means from highest to lowest marks. Okay, and ascending means from lowest to highest one. And suppose if I have not mentioned the any keyword here, means by default it is sorted the marks column in ascending order. Remember that if you are not mentioning any keyword, so marks will be sorted in ascending order. So here you can see from 37 to 95, this is in ascending order. So I have done for today, guys. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share my channel. And if you have any query, please comment me. आणि हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला कसा वाटला त्याच्यासाठीही कमेंट करा. आणि नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठीही तुम्ही सबस्क्राईब करा, जेणेकरून माझे सगळे अपडेटेड व्हिडिओज तुम्हाला दिसतील. आणि हा जो आपला एसक्यूएल फुल ट्युटोरियल जो कोर्स आहे, त्याच्यामधला हे आपलं 4थं लेक्चर आहे. 4थं आणि 5वं असं आपण लेक्चर म्हणूयात. आणि ज्याच्यामध्ये आज आपण शिकलो आहोत सिलेक्ट विथ where clause, and with where clause we will see many more operators like in, between, and, or, not, any. These operators we have seen. तर हा व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला मला प्लीज कमेंट करून कळवा. आणि माझ्या चॅनलला लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा. आणि थँक्यू सो मच फॉर अगेन फॉर वॉच द व्हिडिओ. आणि कमेंट करायला मात्र विसरू नका. आणि याच्या व्यतिरिक्त एसक्यूएल व्यतिरिक्त अजून काय तुम्हाला जर कोणत्या प्रोग्रामिंगसाठी जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ पाहिजे असेल मराठीमधून स्पेशली, ज्याच्यामध्ये मी खूप सारे कन्सेप्ट क्लिअरली सांगणार आहे, त्याच्यासाठीही तुम्ही मला कमेंट करा. सो वन्स अगेन थँक्यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द व्हिडिओ. टेक केअर. Bye bye, and thank you again. Once again I would like to say you that please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.